Hi, this is Ernie again. I'm that guy who had 6,000 in his checking account to now having millions of dollars. I typically own shares of stocks or ETFs, and then I sell calls against what I have to generate weekly income. But when I am dealing with something that's overbought or something that has gone up so much, I utilize different ways to generate weekly income or get free shares. And let me show you how it's done. And today I'm going to do it with a company called Oklo, which makes modular nuclear reactor that a lot of data centers are thinking about utilizing in order to power them, as AI training requires a lot of energy source. So let me show you what they are and how I am utilizing option strategy to do what I typically do, but completely the other way. This is a company called Oklo, trading at $33.50. It was around 43 or so on Friday. But as you probably know, DeepSeek AI came out and it just crushed all the AI related stocks. So it tanked. And luckily, my options got exercised and I was able to 2x my investment. And now I have an opportunity to buy it at a cheaper price. So let's go to the options chart. So this shows what the option market currently looks like, and I'm going to try to replicate what I did earlier this morning. Again, it's not a hard rule, but I always go to weekly where I get 1% of the stock price in options premium. So 1% is actually $28. So right now it's 35 cents. It's almost at the end of the trading day. Ask was 41 and the last was 38. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell put option. I'm not doing selling call option because I don't have these stocks. So instead I'm going to sell put option, which means if it falls below 28, I need to buy these stocks at $28, even if it goes to $20. So that's the risk that I'm willing to take. So as you can see here, it says option 10 because I already sold it this morning. And why do I have 11 shares? I'm going to explain in a little bit. So as you can tell, selling 10, sell to open. And you do the market order because I don't want to sit in front of the computer changing my prices. I'd rather go do something else, play pickleball or do something more productive. And here, if I do this, I'm going to get $370. So let me show you what I got and what I did with that money. So I did sell to open today at $28 at 39 cents. And pay a commission and fee of $4.15. And I got $385. What did I do? Can I take this money out and use it to pay expenses? Yes, but I don't really need that money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that money to buy Oklo shares. And I don't want to spend my own money. I want to play with the house money. Again, play with the house money. So I spend less than what I got, paid $33.14 to acquire 11 shares. And I spend $364. And this is the money that I'm left with. As you can see, I did not have any shares, but because I have enough cash to exercise my option, if I need to ever exercise, it allows me to sell put options at a lower price than what the market is and extract 1% of the stock price. Yeah, you can get 2%, you can get a little more than 1%, but actually 39 cents is like 1.3%, right? 1.3% of the current price, and I use that money to buy shares. So in reality, I just got free shares. And $21.25 in free money that I could do whatever I want to do with. This is another way to buy shares when it's extremely overvalued or even slightly overvalued, because I know that there might be an opportunity for me to own at a cheaper price. I might not be able to. In that case, I get free shares, 11 shares. If I get to buy them cheaper, great. Either way, I am making free money leveraging cash that I have in my brokerage option, which you could, again, use to take it out to pay expenses or accumulate more shares. What I'm going to do is I'm pretty much going to do this for next 10 weeks, meaning every week I'm going to get somewhere between 11, maybe 12 or 13 shares. And over time, I'm going to accumulate one contract or 100 shares to do one contract or even more, so that I can go both sides. Now I can sell my call options against what I have, and I'm going to hopefully get it at a cheaper price by selling put options so that I can double dip on both ends. This might be a little confusing, so take a look at it again and send me comments or questions if you have any. But whether the market is up, market is down, whether the price is up or price is low, there are ways to make money if you leverage options. So please look at them. I know this might be confusing, but you might have to look at them a couple of times, but learn to understand options and leverage it to your advantage so that your money will help you make more money so that you'll be able to reach that financial freedom that you've always been looking for. Like, repost, tell your friends about what I'm doing, and comment and send me direct messages if you have any specific questions. And hopefully this was useful. And hopefully sometime in the future, you'll be able to leverage something similar if this makes sense for you. Enjoy your day, rest of your day, and I'll see you sometime later this week.